Helen's Kitchen. Today we will be doing a Vietnamese caramelized minced pork dish. So here we have 500 grams of minced pork that I have seasoned with half a tablespoon of garlic powder overnight. And we have 1 small onion diced, 5 tablespoons of brown sugar, 2 fresh burst by chili, finely sliced, 1 tablespoon of chili flakes, 1 tablespoon of garlic minced, 1 tablespoon of lemongrass minced, 1 tablespoon of minced ginger, and 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. Heat up 2 tablespoons of cooking oil and add in the onions and fry it. Again, add in the ginger and fry until it starts to smell fragrant. And add in the lemongrass and the garlic. Stir it until it gets very aromatic. Chili. And then add in this. Stir to make sure that minced pork is mixed with all the other ingredients. After 3 minutes, the meat has changed color and turned white. You can add in the fish sauce and the brown sugar. Stir it. Then leave it for 3 minutes. Do not touch it. Then turn it over. Leave it for another 3 minutes. 3 minutes, add in the chili flakes and turn it one more time and leave it for 1 minute. After the minutes gone by, you turn it one more time. After 30 seconds, you turn it again. It will look more caramelized. If you want it to be more caramelized, you can do it for another 30 seconds.